Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can make money online with a simple copy and paste method. So it involves selling digital products such as ebooks, videos, audio clips. Now these digital products are actually pre-made content from other sellers which you can sell legally through PLR. Alright, so before I get deep into the content of this video, remember to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And remember to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of my future video releases. Alright, so this copy and paste method involves selling digital products online legally. So I'm going to show you a few websites where you can do this for free. So you don't need any capital to start, you don't need any special skills. So the first website is called Resell Rights Weekly. So it's separated by hyphens in between. So basically it's a website, a free membership website where you can get PLR products or RR products. Now these kinds of products are actually products that are already made by other people, but they give you the right to edit them and also resell them for a profit on your end. And it's all free from copyright infringement and also trademark infringement. So anyone can get these for free without paying a single penny. Alright, so it's very simple. You just go to this page where you can sign up for a free account. So there's a free account and also a gold membership account. Now as you can see, you have instant access to over 700 hot selling PLR and RR digital products. They have new items every single week. You get access to the RRW members forum and loads of other benefits inside this website. So when you signed up for a free account, you get access to this membership download area. So they categorize them based on every single month. So the latest one now is in September 2018. So for example, I opened up the September 2018, and as you can see, you have multiple types of products inside here. You have a mobile video site, another mobile video site, and also a WordPress theme that you can download for free. Alright, so looking at the August 2018 collection, we have the Run 5K in 5 weeks. So this is actually a detailed training plan for you to run 5K in just 5 weeks. You have an ebook about Facebook marketing, affiliate funnel system, which is actually a video course. And I actually downloaded this, so I'm going to show you in a few seconds. Another ebook about marketing. Alright, so you get the idea. And each and every one of these products, they have their own licenses. So they have the master resale rights, giveaway rights. They have the private label rights. Okay, so the differences between PLR and MRR is that for PLR, you can sell the product as is, or you can change, so you can edit. And also, you can also change anything you want inside the content. And you can also put your name as the author. But for master resale rights, you can only sell the product, but you cannot change anything inside. You cannot even claim ownership of the product itself. Alright, so for the affiliate funnel system, I downloaded this a few seconds ago. And in here they have a full video course. So they have the intro, the affiliate funnel, traffic and everything. And they also have 2 PDF documents about free marketing tools that they promote that you can use, and also the license. So they also explain the licenses. You have unrestricted rights to this video course. The only thing you cannot do is claim copyright to it. You're gonna have to be careful with each and every one of these products and see what you can or cannot do. Now that's the first website, Resell Rights Weekly. Now the second website, you can go to idplr.com. So this is also another PLR products site that you can join for free. There's also a gold membership like RRW. So as you can see, they have more than 6,000 ebooks, more than 1,000 softwares, scripts, videos. So in the free members section, you can access ebooks, softwares, videos, graphics and everything. So for example, I opened up the free members software. So you have all of these softwares and they explain the licenses, what you're allowed to do with these products. Alright, so you have resale rights, so you can resell this product. PLR, so you can change the content inside. You can claim copyright of it on that product itself and resell it for a profit. Okay, next let's look at ebooks. So in the ebook section we have other marketing ebooks. So for this example, they have the master resell rights. It means that you can resell this product, but you cannot change anything inside. You cannot claim copyright over it. So that's the second website, idplr.com. So for a third website that I found, you could also use this website, which is plrassassin.com. Now, if I'm not mistaken, this one requires you to actually pay for it. Alright, so in PLR Assassin, there's also a free version, but you have a limited amount of resources other than subscribing to the VIP section where you have more than 12,000 products to download. Alright, so I showed you 3 websites that you can go to get free PLR products to resell. So you don't need to create content of your own. The content is already out there. You just take them and then maybe change them a bit, change the branding and everything, and then resell them to other people. Now, what do you do now? Who's going to actually purchase from you, and how can you actually resell this to other people? Alright, so there's 2 websites that I recommend that you could use. One is payhip.com and another is gumroad.com. Alright, so for payhip.com, we can click over here how it works, and we're going to see how it actually works. So you set up your digital product page in a snap. To start selling on Payhip, simply upload your product file and add a name, description, price, and everything, and set up your page and start earning in a matter of seconds. So it's as simple as sharing a link, tweet out your digital product page, share it on your Facebook page, your blog, your website, maybe you have a YouTube channel. And then you also have clear sales stats, so you can see statistics of how your sales are going. So as you can see here, this person made over $9,000 in total sales in 1 month. Alright, so you don't need to manually install any payment gateways, any cards inside your websites. So everything is done inside Payhip. You just list down your product inside here and people can buy them easily. So you don't need to deal with any technical headaches. And when we scroll down here, so we handle everything for you, upload the type of file, customers can securely complete their purchases in seconds. So it's a more secured way for your customers to actually trust the products that you sell. So you can also provide an affiliate system. You can offer coupons. You can also embed a checkout and shopping cart on your websites. You can also grab the emails of your customers. What's more, you could also have PDF stamping, which means that for every specific customer that actually downloads or purchases something from you, there's going to be a stamp of their email on that product. So it stops them from illegally sharing to other people. Now for Gumroad, Payhip and Gumroad are similar online marketplaces, so they're relatively the same thing. I personally like using Gumroad even more. So it's easier for me to actually sell the ebooks that I create myself, or even if I downloaded any PLR products, it's easier for me to sell them through Gumroad. So as you can see here, I can put the image of the product on here, the description down here, and I can also change the link. So the default domain is going to be gum.co, and then slash. You can change whatever you want after this. So this is what I mean by PDF stamping. So whenever the customer actually downloads this, either for free or they pay me, it's going to be stamped with their email address. And another interesting thing that you can do is actually set the price as something plus. So it cannot be anything below that plus sign. So what I mean is, let's say you put 20 plus. So the minimum amount that a customer that can actually pay is $20. They cannot go even lower than that, but they can go higher than that. So if they see that you brought too much value for them, they feel indebted to you. So maybe they can pay you $40, $50. So that is it for the video. So I showed you a copy and paste method that you can use to create a business model for yourself. So if you found this content valuable, drop a like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And remember to hit the notification bell that comes along with the subscribe button so that you'll be notified of my future video releases. So I hope this helps, and have a nice day.